Alright, good morning. How are you doing, guys? So now we are in one of the local warungs. This is my favorite food actually. I will eat nasi ayam betutu. So this is special Balinese food. So yum. As you see, the place actually in the middle of the housing complex, but the taste so good. So this is nasi ayam betutu actually. This one the ayam. Ooh, looks so yum. Okay, so I order nasi ayam betutu. This one is the ayam betutu. Well, actually that the chicken, steamed chicken with the rich of Balinese spices and herbs. And of course, this one sambal mata. This one, oh, looks so good. And this one is the salad, long beans with the shred coconut. Looks so good.
Smacznego.
Dziękuję. So this what is it? This plate of nasi ayam betutu, it cost me around 15k. So it's about $1.05, one Australian buck dollars and American one American dollars actually. With this food, so yum. I'll try. The chicken, how good. So with the peanut and sambal mata. Oh yeah.
And what is your drink?
This one, the syrup, ice syrup, sweet. So when I eat spicy, I need something sweet to drink. So good.
Alright guys, so as you can see, Winnie having ayam betutu at morning, 8 o'clock. I don't have any breakfast, I don't eat breakfast, especially I will feel very tired after eating the rice at the morning. And today's vlog will be how is the eating in very local places. And this is very local place. Actually, this is on the background of the private house, very small warung. We'll give you the location and everything, like a small wee map over here. And yeah. So we paid around $1, so it's just like 15,000. So it's very cheap.
Oh my God.
So if you wanna eat like a local in Bali, I will show you. However, this place is about 15 minutes drive from Sanur. You cannot find too much places like this in the central. However, local people eat like this. So stay tuned. And will be 2 more spots today. So this is breakfast, will be the lunch, and will be the dinner.
So spicy, but so good.
Yeah.
So many locals are coming to buy food. It's so yum. They are so good. So I come here especially in the morning because I know that if I come here for lunch, will be no space to eat in. Because as you see, it's 8 o'clock in the morning. There are so many people already buying the food.
By the way, check out the place. Is the family over there? Sayang over here. And people are coming and coming and coming all the time. That means the place is good.
Oh, here's a little story for you. Let's sit right down and talk it through. You found a little love and give it back again. Is it supposed to be this hard? Cause you're tired of sitting here on your own. Yeah, you're tired of the feeling that you need someone. You found your peace no matter where you are. You will find happiness somewhere. You will make it back out there. Oh, don't you let your heart grow cold, waiting in line for something that you know. Oh, you try to find someone new. Every time your dreams been put on hold, the story of our life starts to unfold. Many lessons learned, but you still get burned.
Ooh la la. So now we are in Makbeng Sanur, in one warung in Sanur, and we order fish and then fish soup. So this is another local food in Sanur, and always full of people. Lucky that we got the best spot here. So this is the fried fish, famous in Sanur actually, and this one with the fish soup. So good. The soup, so yummy.
So, a few words from me. I have my Coke, like always when eating spicy fish, and also actually this fried fish is not really spicy, but the soup is actually spicy. But I like it. I like it. This is the place where me and Winnie will eat together. Right?
So Damian didn't finish his soup and his fish. At the end, I finished all. So good. So this fish soup, so fresh because they put a fresh cucumber in it, and the herbs is with the spices like, what is it? Well, turmeric and everything, so complete one. Oh, good.
Say it again, just get it in the open. Say it again, 'cause I can't take it all. Oh, I know it takes a man, it takes a mile, takes a minute. Say it again, I'm laying it
So we are after eating the fish. I'm so full. How about you, honey?
Oh my god. So good.
This
I like the soup because the soup, you know, taste of the spice and herb. It's like fresh with the cucumber inside.
It's very nice.
Very nice.
If you
very
don't like
good.
spicy, you don't need to eat soup and you will be fine because fish itself is very nice. However, this warung he starts working from 1941. This is
Yeah.
like on the starting from the war, you
Yeah,
know.
so
It's very the oldest. One of the oldest warungs in Sanur actually, and it's just next to the harbor in Sanur.
yeah, this is called Warung Mak Beng.
Legendary place in Sanur with the really nice food. How much you pay, honey?
I just paid around for the fish and the nasi and everything for 2 portions. I just paid 120, include the drinks.
Alright, 120k including 2 colas and 1 iced tea. Yeah, it's maybe not the 100% like the super cheapest place, but it's really worth the price. It's really cool. Fully recommend it. And the third part of this vlog will be what, honey? Eating Babi Guling.
Guling.
Winnie's favorite one. I will probably don't eat, however, Winnie will show you guys the real Balinese food. Stay tuned.
I'll be coming home, then I'll be at your door. When I'll be coming home, I plan to let you know the longing of my heart, the wish I carry high.
Look at this one. Okay. Alright. So today we are in Ubud. So we have a Babi Guling especially. So I also have a satay lilit. This is special satay. Balinese satay is made of the pork and then with the spices, and then they lilit means like they tied it around the stick. And this one is the famous Babi Guling in Ubud, and the most Instagrammable place, as later you see around this place, is rice paddies. And this one is the sayur ares made of the banana trunk. So good. Yeah. And of course nasi. So I will try the soup first. I will try it first. This is called sayur ares, jukut ares. So it's made of the banana trunk. Banana trunk, yes, banana trunk, and then with the pork. I'll try it first. So good. And this one is the pork and the salad. This is called lawar. Not peanut, long bean with the pork, and then with this one is with the spices. As you see, the spice is so rich of spices. And this one, the most popular thing is the pork skin. So crunchy. I'll try it. Good.
Whenever we're apart, it takes me through the night. When I look deep into your eyes,
and the panda egg babi guling, panda egg, Babi Guling in Ubud. It's actually close to Ganyar.
Yeah.
Very close to Kanto Lampo waterfall, so if you are ever in Bali and visiting this waterfall, it's a very good place to come here. However, sorry guys about the sound, it's the construction over there, so you have to forgive us. However, the food looks delicious. And the biggest shame is I don't really like Babi Guling. At least I'm honest with you. I don't try just to make a video because I don't really like it. However, Winnie's love it. Alright. I will show you now the place around. It's really nice.
I plan to let you know the longing of my heart, the wish I carry high whenever we're apart. It takes me through the night when I look deep into your eyes. When I look deep into your eyes. When I'll be coming home and I am on my way. When I'll be coming home, I wanna see you play the music of your heart. I'm followed by your light whenever we're apart. It takes me through the night when I look deep into your eyes. Oh, when I look deep into your eyes. When I look deep into your eyes. Oh, when I look deep into your eyes. When I look deep into your eyes. When I look deep into your eyes.
So alright, I just had my Babi Guling this morning as my breakfast. Actually, I paid around 60k something, include the drinks. So good price. And then as you see, there inside is very clean place. And this place normally hundreds people coming, maybe more. So because we come here early in the morning and still quiet, but later in the lunchtime I bet I will not get any place to sit and will be long queue. So this is Babi Guling Pandai Egi. So good. Alright, so we are so lucky that we have a chance to see how Babi Guling is made. So this is the guy who is roasting the suckling pig. Let's see how they make it. And they have a special over there. Follow me. So this is how actually a roast suckling pig. As you see, they use the small pig, ya. Ikan api yang beli oren ya. Oren ikan api kayak isinya ya. Halo. So he said that for roasting pig, he needs around 1.5 hours to roast the pig. To make it the skin later on so crunchy and so yum. So good. 15. Dari jam berapa biasanya ngulik? Dari jam 4 pagi? Alright, so every day he said that he started to make babi guling starting from 4 in the morning. So around 14 until 15 roasting pig every day. So actually this guy is making oret. Oret is just like something made for the intestines of a pig. Let's see closer how he made it. Okay, kita kenapi. The pig's meat, the pork. So as you see, he's frying the pork with a big pan, with a big frying pan. Okay, so this guy is making lawar, like what I showed you before. Lawar is like a special salad when you know chop 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 like that. So look at the guy, he's so happy. So chop 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 chop, like what my dad making last day. So with the, you see this is a Bali spice. Balinese spice ya Pak. With what Bapak?
Favorite in Bali.
Yeah, this is favorite in Bali.
Yeah.
Yeah. So as you see, with the spice, and he made it using the hand. So this is what lawar makes so yum because of the hands of Balinese. Hand of Balinese so yum. Yeah. Well, actually this is the spices. You see chili, onion, banana trunk that to make the soup, to make sayur ares actually. They use this one. So coming from the banana stem. Sorry, not banana trunk, banana stem actually. Sorry, my English bad.
Your English, honey.
Sorry, my English bad. So this is the banana stem, and they chop like chop, and then they put spices and herbs, and they boil with the pork.
Alright guys, so you saw the most famous Balinese food, street food in Bali, and here is the special, as we showed you, how the most famous Balinese food called Babi Guling, which is suckling pig, is made in the Balinese house with the Balinese culture and tradition. And traditional recipe, of course.
Yeah.
Winnie used to eat. I'm not the biggest fan, however, Winnie loved this, and I really like watching the process actually, and how's the Winnie eating.
So the process actually take around 2 hours, starting from the beginning. No, 2 or 3 hours, starting from the taking the pigs and then cleaning the pigs, and then so just making the flour and everything, and then roasting, taking you around 1.5 hours to 2 hours. So take a long time actually to make babi guling.
Yes. Okay. We made this video actually in 3 different days and put one together. It was too much for Winnie to eat 3 times now. But this is very heavy food, you know what I mean? That will be too much. However, we try to make it and show you guys as best as possible, and we will show you also the location of each place. And this is not paid advertisement or something. However, we really recommending that.
Yeah, we're really recommending that, and then we thinking that we support them. We support the local cuisine.
Yes,
how
this is all of these businesses. They are owned by the Balinese, and they are making the food, as you see, mostly in their own houses.
Yes.
So it's super cool and super unique experience actually. I hope so you enjoy it. If you wanna have a second part of this video in the future, showing, let us know, comment below.
Yeah,
we
because
will try
as you know that Balinese traditional food is so many. We just for this occasion we show you
the most popular one, the most famous one, right?
And what to do and everything. So,
however, if you want to see more and more traditional stuff like this, comment below, big thumb up, share to your friends, family, everyone who like. Don't forget to subscribe, and like always, something new every day at 7 p.m. Bali time. Take care, guys.
thank you for watching, and bye.
Bon appetit.